Wondering if Pinterest can really grow a business or become a business on its own? The answer is yes. Big yes. So whether you're starting from scratch and searching for your next big idea, or you already have a business and you want to bring it onto the Pinterest platform, this video will show you how to move forward in the right way. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online shop owners, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. And today, I'm sharing a beginner-friendly Pinterest for Business strategy guide. This is not a setup tutorial. If you need step-by-step instructions to create a Pinterest business account, I've linked that full walkthrough in the description below. Pinterest is one of the easiest ways to make money online because it's a search engine. And once you realize that, there are unlimited opportunities to get your content seen. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how. We'll talk about how to choose or refine your niche so your content stands out, smart ways to monetize from digital products to affiliate marketing and services, how to create consistent click-worthy pins, plus the tools I use to stay on track. If that sounds like your vibe and you're interested in Pinterest marketing, now's a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future marketing tips. Let's get into it. Choosing and refining your niche. The most important thing when starting any business on Pinterest is to define your niche. A niche is simply the main topic your business is about, the category you want people and Pinterest to know you for. So why does a niche matter? Pinterest is a search engine, and the more clear you are, the easier it is for Pinterest to know who to show your pins to and for your viewers to trust and follow you. Let's think of food, for example. A general food blog can cover anything from desserts to 5-course dinners, but a gluten-free dessert blog instantly tells Pinterest and your audience exactly what to expect. Someone who needs gluten-free recipes will find every pin relevant, which builds trust and increases clicks and sales. So if you already run a business, use this step to double check that your niche is obvious. Questions you could ask yourself include, who is my ideal customer? Or what problems am I solving for them? Are my board names, pin titles, and descriptions using keywords that they search for? And if you're starting from scratch, here are a few ways to choose your focus. You can think about profit potential. Are there any products or services that people already spend money on with you? Maybe digital downloads, coaching, home decor, fashion. What about your passion or expertise? Topics that you know well and you talk about often. You can also look at trending demand, see areas that are growing on Pinterest trends or other keyword tools and leverage those topics. For whatever you choose, pick smart keywords that represent that niche and put them everywhere. Your account name, your bio, your board names, your board descriptions, and your pin titles and pin descriptions too. This will immediately tell Pinterest what your account is about. So avoid cute, vague names because they can be fun but confuse the algorithm and then limit your reach. And there are countless ways to make money on Pinterest, so don't let the idea of picking a niche hold you back. The key here is to decide so you can move forward and start making money. Smart ways to monetize on Pinterest. Pinterest is built for discovery and shopping, so nearly every business model can benefit here. And remember, Pinterest is a search engine, not a social media site. People come here to find answers and inspiration just like they would on Google, but with one big advantage. You can keep promoting the same product, same service, or same blog post over and over with fresh new pins. Each fresh pin is another chance to rank and be seen, which means far more exposure than a single search result on Google. So here are some of the most effective ways to make money on Pinterest. Number one, you can drive traffic to a blog or a website. If you sell digital products, run ads, or offer services, every pin can link directly to a page that sells your product, grows your email list, or books a service. Number two, sell physical or digital products. Whether you have an Etsy shop, Shopify store, or downloadable templates, upload product pins or use product tagging so each pin links straight to your checkout. Number three, affiliate marketing. You can share affiliate links directly with full disclosure or link to a review or resource page that features affiliate products. Number four, offer services and consultation. Designers, photographers, coaches, and any other service providers can use Pinterest to reach clients by showcasing their work and linking to a booking page. If you want to dig deeper into all of these income streams, I have a 10-minute video on different ways to make money with Pinterest, including how to get started and how to scale each one into full-time income. I'll put that link in the description below. Now that you've got your niche and a variety of ways to earn, the next step is to turn your business ideas into click-worthy pins. I'm going to show you one tool that will make this process so simple. Here's how to create pins and plan your funnel. The number one thing that holds most people back is making the pins and staying consistent. They either don't have the time, or they don't feel artistic, or they don't want to learn another platform. Trust me, I get it. I felt the same way until I discovered a system that does most of the heavy lifting for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. But before we design anything, I want you to get clear on the goal of each pin. Take a second and ask yourself, do I want someone to read a blog post, join an email list, buy a product, buy a service? Get clear on what you want the person to do. Pinterest works best when every pin points to a specific next step, like a free checklist that builds your email list, a product page page, or an affiliate review. The more clear you are with your goal, the easier it is to choose the right keywords, headlines, and call to action on your pins. So now let's solve the design bottleneck. You're gonna wanna head to pingenerator.com and enter in your website, blog, or shop URL. Even a single product page will work. Pin Generator will scan your site instantly and create a dozen pins with titles, descriptions, and images pulled directly from your content. From there, you can edit everything: swap photos, change fonts and colors, rewrite text to match your brand, and even save your favorite templates so each new batch stays completely on brand and unique to you. You can also use bulk edits to update titles, descriptions, outbound links. You can schedule your pins, and you can export them as a CSV if you want to upload them directly to Pinterest. This setup shrinks the time from idea to pins, making it minutes, not hours, allowing you to keep your account active and discoverable without wasting time on marketing. And one more thing for brand new accounts, I highly recommend creating your pins in Pin Generator, then saving them as a CSV file and uploading them directly to Pinterest for the first month. This is really easy to do. It takes a few clicks, and I have a full walkthrough that will explain exactly how to do it. But what this does is it allows you to work directly with Pinterest and build more trust and credibility than if you were using a third-party scheduling tool. This is only necessary for the first few weeks or 1 month when getting an account warmed up. You don't have to do this, but we would say it's best practice. Please don't let the idea of a new platform overwhelm you. There are plenty of resources and myself here to answer your questions along the way. Your action plan for today is simple. Define your niche, decide how you'll make money, and test Pin Generator out to see how quickly you can create pins. Once you see it only takes a few minutes, I promise your confidence will increase. If you've got questions about using Pinterest for business, drop them in the comments below, and I'm happy to answer them or create a detailed walkthrough video to show you what to do. If this video helped you, now's a great time to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a future video. I'm Max. I share weekly Pinterest marketing tips to help bloggers, online shop owners, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.